In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner in Gmail. Adding a banner to your Gmail can give your emails a personal touch or even provide a professional look, which can be especially useful if you're using Gmail for business communication. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google if you're not already there. In the search bar, type "How to add a banner in Gmail" and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results filled with helpful resources and guides on the topic. Among these results, look for a trustworthy source that provides clear and concise instructions. This will help ensure that you're following a reliable guide, as there can be slight variations in steps depending on the version of Gmail you're using and the source of documentation. Once you find a dependable guide, follow their steps to create or design your banner. You may choose to use online design tools like Canva or Adobe Spark, which offer templates that can make your banner creation process straightforward. If you're looking to personalize it further, make sure to pay attention to the dimensions recommended for the banner to ensure it fits well in the Gmail layout. The standard size for Gmail banners typically should be around 650 pixels wide. After creating your banner, save it in your desired format, usually JPEG or PNG, as they are widely supported. It's important to save it in high resolution to maintain clarity and quality once it's added to your email. Now, open your Gmail account. In the upper right corner, click on the gear icon, which opens up the Settings menu. From here, select See All Settings to access a more comprehensive list of options. Once you're in the settings, navigate to Themes. Here, you'll have the option to customize the appearance of your inbox. You'll see a My Photos option. Click on that, and then select Upload a Photo. Upload your saved banner image from your computer. After uploading, Gmail may prompt you to adjust the position or cropping of your banner to fit the specified area. Adjust it as needed to ensure that the most important aspects of your banner are prominently displayed. Finally, save your changes. You can now open a new email to see how your banner looks when composing a message. If you're satisfied with how it appears, great. You've successfully added a banner in Gmail. If you feel like further adjustments are needed, you can revisit the steps we've just discussed. Adding a banner is a simple way to enhance your email communication, making it visually appealing and unique to your style or branding. I hope this guide helps you in personalizing your Gmail experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.